Why do you want to learn English? English is the most important language in the world today. A very large number of people understand and use English in all parts of the world. English is a very useful language. If we know English, we can go to any place or country we like. We shall not find it hard much to people understand what we wish to say. English also helps us to learn all kinds of subjects. Hundreds of books are written in English every day in all countries to teach people many useful things. The English language has therefore helped to spread ideas and knowledge to all the corners of the world. There is no subject that cannot be learned. The English language, as English is used so much very well in the world, it has helped to make the country of the world become more friendly with one another. The leader of the world use English to understand one another. The English language has therefore also helped to spread better understand our friendship amongst countries of the world.